Sorry guys, trying to move things around here. One-handed. I don't think that's a hoe. Clay, this is a rake. Clay, this is a rake. It's a rake.
No, I want the hoe.
He wants the hoe. I thought he was talking about the handle. But now I see it.
That's when I drove by.
No, you would. Yeah, I see what.
That's a hoe, yes. Yeah.
Actually, I knew what a hoe was, but I was grabbing the rake.
I just need the hoe to knock or chop this dirt up, so I can put it in that tire.
Okay.
Then I'm going to get a bag of the good topsoil to put on the top and in that little bucket.
Okay.
Wanted to get all this done before the heavy rain came. It's sprinkling. Gotta have it done for tomorrow anyhow. That's a car stop. If you don't know what a car stop is, it's the next time somebody runs over my mailbox, they're going to get stopped by that first. I'm tired of repairing this every year.
I feel like there's a rock in my shoe.
Take it out.
I know. My sneakers got wet walking in the wet. Want to hold the camera while I take it out?
No, pause it and set it down on there.
Okay, guys, I'm pausing it to take out my rock.
Take out wrenched ankle.
As you can tell, we don't edit our videos. I put it on pause to take the rock out.
All right, if you notice, these clumps of dirt are the shape, they're round like a bucket. Well, that's exactly what they were. They came out of our garden soil. See how nice and dark and rich this soil is? I end up reusing it every year. I'll dump the buckets out, pull the grass and root systems out of it, add more compost and things to it in the wheel or the cement mixer, mix it all up and fill my buckets up again for my garden. But you have to get the roots out of it. I'm going to build a screen so that once I chop the stuff up, I can screen this stuff all out and have nothing but the good soil. see it's some pretty nice dark soil. Perfect for planting it. You can see what grows on the top in the garden after gardening is over. You get some weeds grow up in it when you don't weed it. But I'd much rather weed my garden this way than have to do it with a rototiller and pick rocks out of it and bend and kill myself with it. Hurt my back or whatever else has got to be done with it.
There's my dog over there. I don't know if you can see it, but one of his legs is really white. And one of our friends, well, actually it's our niece, Kimmy, came over and she thought the dog was in a cast because his leg is white.
A couple of them I'm going to add it to the tray. I want to get as many out of there as I can. It's not going to be perfect. I do want to get it done before I start pouring. There's another big old weed right there.
Oh, it looks like our neighbor has 2 dogs. Nice, pretty dogs. The Mrs. Lee's house.
Oh,
yeah, they're pretty dogs.
That one's a Rottweiler.
Yeah. Unless somebody's visiting with a dog. I only notice it because usually I don't see that. But because I'm over here, I see my dog and their dog. He's barking at me, I think. That's good. He's being protective.
I might have got more than I wanted, but it's better to have more than none at all.
Oh, no, we're going to put the hostas right on the ground around it?
I think so. Just going to do a
make it look
on
nice.
the sides. This is more for
flowers.
Yeah, smaller flowers.
What do you think? Morning glories?
What's that?
Morning.
No, morning glories are going to go up that pole.
The other pole, okay.
This is for like marigolds or
okay.
zinnias or something like that.
Okay. It's only like 40 degrees out right now. It's raining. Here it comes. Freezing in the rain.
This is also to keep it from the wind from tipping it over like it has been.
You can see where the guy hit.
Yeah, that was the first time they hit.
At least they didn't hit our car.
We see them coming our lawn too.
So you guys can watch us every year as we contemplate how we're going to put our mailbox up so we can get mail. I would love to just have it at the post office, but we don't want to drive out in the winter.
Yeah, actually, this is such good soil. I think I'm going to fill that up too.
Okay. Yeah, I can plant. You know what? I could do maybe some up there and some down there.
Where are you going to? You're going to put the smaller ones up at the top. With some medium-sized flowers on the bottom. I just want to get the root systems out of it so you're not getting a bunch of weeds growing up in there.
Branch, be good.
All right, Junior. We'll be home soon.
Be a good boy.
bass in that one.
Well, our son called last night. He wants all the fishing equipment. He is a fisherman. He used to go sea diving, or not sea diving, lake diving for treasure at Lake Ontario with one of his friends. He didn't dive. He was holding the equipment and everything. He was the helper.
You're not going to find too much buried treasure in
I know. I was thinking, I think they were looking for ships and stuff. I don't know what they find. I know, that's what I was wondering. Because I think Lake Ontario, you'd think you have to go to an ocean. But I don't know enough about it. They were looking for ships.
Might have done a few go down in Lake Ontario, but they didn't that many.
Yeah.
And if they did go down there, they were just pleasure cruisers.
I know, this year the snowplow guy left our mailbox, but somebody else got it.
They wiped it out just before spring.
Snowplow guy did too?
No, the guy
Somebody else did, yeah.
Guy that ran into it.
We went through a whole winter without having to replace the mailbox.
And I thought I was going to get away with one whole year.
And then it was like, oh, somebody else got it. Country living, we have our corrals. It's a cold rain.
It is. About one more shovelful.
Well, thank you, dear.
And then it's all yours to plant, dear.
Yay!
I don't know what you're going to plant in here, but it should be shorter flowers.
Yeah, gotta figure it out. I might even be able to plant straight seeds if it warms up. I've got a lot of seeds.
I'll just go around with the hoe.
I'm hungry already. Maybe I'll make eggs. Got a ton of eggs.
Pick up my toys.
Yes.
Then all I gotta do is wash my hands, warm my fingers up a little bit, and come out and attach the mailbox.
Yay! You gonna go inside to warm up?
Yeah, just
Maybe I'll eat a snack. I'm hungry.
just for a few minutes.
I got up at 4.
I gotta get the tractor over there and
Okay.
unhook the wagon and that. I'll leave the dirt right in the wagon because I'm sure we're gonna have more planting.
Oh yeah. Hello, baby.
That's the most bending I want to do for one day.
So you want to retire and have a farm?
At least the wind isn't going to knock it over now.
No, we enjoy what we do. It's just like cold days like today. It's cold to be out here.
All right.
I couldn't imagine life any other way. Could you, honey?
No, not really. You'll have to go through your seeds and see what.
Yeah, I want to see what would look nice and not
Might
be.
wait a couple of weeks.
Yeah, oh, yeah, definitely.
Let the rain get to it, pack it down a little bit.
The kittens are still in the house.
What's that?
They said the kittens are still in the house. They're not ready to come out. It's too cold for them. Our blue barn cats. Uh-oh, my foot's not on right. I'm gonna have to suffer through it.
Screws in the mouth again.
Well, if you swallow one, I have a big magnet.
So do I. Okay, that's all there is to it.
Yay! It's done.
Until the rain settles the dirt, there's not much I can do. Alright, let's cross while it's getting good. It's coming this way, I worry about it. The one's coming that way, I got plenty of time. But they whip that corner so fast.
Oh, you see them? There, guys. There's Lowe's now.
Yeah.
Bring your wood.
They could have delivered my wood.
You gonna come in and warm up?
They come around that corner and then they get on that icy spot right on that corner. And then they go into a slide and hit my mailbox and end up in my lawn. Yep, I'm going in to warm up a little bit.
Yeah, guys, it's cold out here. Turn the heat up. Woo! I told them today we're gonna have a day of rest.
So it's time to feed the birds. I'm gonna.
There's always things to do, but no major
it.
projects. It's too cold and rainy and wet.
If it wasn't so damp, I'd finish up some more of that floor.
But I still have things to do, but
They're talking supposed to be nice and clear Tuesday, so
we have
I'm gonna sit down for a minute.
Yeah, we can sit down.
I've been right on the go since I started that mailbox project.
Oh. And I did eat a peanut butter sandwich. I didn't make eggs.
Yeah, at least I had to worry about the bugs.
Hey, remind me to get bread out of the freezer.
Okay. I want to pickle up some of those eggs today, too.
Okay.
If you can find the pickling place.
Okay. We got a lot of eggs.
Almost everything, mailbox is done for 10 o'clock. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
At least I feel like I got something done.
Oh, yeah.
I hate days when I don't get anything done. I feel guilty.
You feel guilty.
I don't know why I'd feel guilty. I'm retired, but you still feel guilty not doing anything.
We know, really, you shouldn't sit around. I have a few things for you to do.
I got plenty to do, even in the house. I got to get that desk cleaned off and
I know.
everything in that cabinet yet.
But you know what?
But I'm damp and I want to dry off.
You know what? We're making today a day of rest. Because it's rain.
I still got all the chores to do.
Honey, I still got things to do too. But I'm saying is it's gonna be a light load. It's not gonna be, you know, dishes, laundry, a little bit of sewing.
Peel a bunch of eggs and get them in some
But nothing
quart
major. Because it's gonna be like this tomorrow too. Isn't it?
Yeah, drizzly, wet, damp.
Then we'll hit it hot and heavy when the...
Tuesday's supposed to be decent, and then Wednesday and Thursday rain again.
Well...
But the weatherman's always been off by about 12 hours, so tomorrow afternoon might be nice.
Yeah, that's true.
Or Thursday morning might be nice. You never know.
I'm only thinking that way now because I got up at 4 and I'm ready for a nap. You know, you get up in the morning, you do all your chores, and then you think, you sit quiet and you fall asleep, then you get up and do more.
It's supposed to be drizzly like this. Not so much downpour rain, but a lot of next 3 or 4 days, nothing but rain. The beauty of it out here is that our lawn and everything, which I feel bad for some of the southern people that they get flooded out. This is all gravel and it sucks the water up as fast as it comes down.
I don't know if all the southern, I think it's different.
Well, it's different.
Terrains,
it depends on if they've got clay for soil, they'll be flooded because the water doesn't penetrate the clay like it does the gravel.
When I lived in Baldwinsville, not where my parents grew up, but all the other places, the ground was always wet and They said that I don't know if it's true, they said they built some of the property on swampland just because they want to put developments up. I don't know if it's true. But my land there was always swampy. You know what I mean? I think you have great gravel here. I can go outside. It's never wet in the yard, laying water. But we have seen laying water in people's yards, haven't we, around here?
Oh, and it's not just all of upstate New York. I mean, I know people, their lawns flood right out.
Yeah.
But in this area, most of it's gravel.
Yeah, it is. It is nice because nice to
See,
plant.
years ago, this was a gas station general store. This house was. It's an old farmhouse thing. The original farmhouse is the next door, and this was.
Oh, is that the farmhouse?
Yeah, it was Doug's. The pink house next to the other side of the garage.
Okay, you can't really see it.
That was the main owner's house. This was his general store and gas station.
Oh, he lived there, and then this was his gas.
He lived there, and then he
okay.
parceled this off.
I know I just repeated it, but I was
And
surprised.
this was all a big ditch right through here.
They had gas tanks up here then.
Well, they're
Over there more
I
probably.
think in here somewhere.
Do you remember ever seeing it like that?
No, I don't ever remember seeing it that way. And I've lived in this area all my life. But this was a deep ditch, and county came in and used it in dumping rocks. There's boulders in this lawn. When I dug for those trees, I probably moved a ton of big rocks and boulders.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then they just threw a bunch of topsoil on top of it. Probably about this much.
Oh, that's interesting.
So these trees here, the roots are growing down around the rocks, so that'll help hold the trees in place. Because if you ever see some of the wind and rain videos and that where the trees fell right over and the whole root system is laying on the side with the tree, I don't think I'm ever going to have that problem over there.
Well, our video's almost done, so we might as well say goodbye.
Bye.
So remember,
Big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. Bye-bye.